A short video about how the manufacturer deceives its customers. Speech on the example of Janome. Usually, as we are used to, we write capacity. We see watts, of which we throw out a maximum of watts on the bulb. As a result, we should have a motor that is 60 watts. Well, like a classic, a standard for Janome. But not so. The motor is native UDK. Pay attention to the power watts. Question. The machine is 75 watts calculated and the motor should become 60 watts as well, but this is why, unfortunately, the nameplates do not always correspond, and yes, the native motor has not been changed.